Welcome back, you guys. I'm back with this blue glitter smoky eye. I hope you guys like this. It's very nice. You can wear it almost any time of the day or night. At least I would. Let's get into how I got this look. First, I'm going to take the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot and I'm just going to put that on my finger and I'm just going to smudge that all over my eyelids and covering wherever I want the base to be for my eyeshadows. Then I'm going to take my brush that I got from an Amazon kit and I'm just going to smoothen it out more to get all the lines and demarcations nice and even. Then I'm take this RCMA No Color translucent powder and I'm going to set my base because it just helps with the blending of the eyeshadows. The first shade I'm going to go into is Lost and Found from ColourPop. It's one of their single pressed shadows and I'm going to use this as my first transition shade on the brow bone area. Then I'm going to take the shade Piece of Cake. It's also a ColourPop eyeshadow and I'm going to use this in my brow bone area and somewhat in the crease, and I'm just going to build this color up as bright as I want it to be. Then I'm going to go in with the third shade, which is Neptune, and it's a Makeup Geek eyeshadow, and I'm just going to put this shade directly into my crease and I'm going to do windshield wiper motions as well as like small circular motions. The circular motions just help with the blending. Also, it kind of diffuses the tops of the edge, the top of the eyeshadow, so there's no harsh line of demarcation. So the circular motions just help with the blending process. And I'm going to take this shade Fixated. It's a Milk Cosmetics shade out of their Dark Matter stack. And I'm just going to use this directly into the crease just to give the eye some depth in that crease area. Because I didn't want to go like directly into the crease with the black. Then I'm going to go back into those prior brushes and shades just to make sure that everything is blended together. Taking a black eyeshadow, I'm just taking it on a shader brush that I think is from e.l.f. and I'm just going to add this onto my eyelid, and as you can see I'm just starting lightly from the bottom to the top, and I think I'm gonna go a little bit underneath my crease where my eyelid creases, and then as I get to where my eyelid creases, I'm just gonna take my brush and I'm gonna start blending that black out with the brush that I used to apply the Fixated shade. And then I'm just going to keep like blending out and then packing the black on just to make sure that I'm not going overboard, because I don't want to take that black too high up on my brow bone area and over the crease, because when you use blacks, you want to start light and then gradually build the blacks up, because black can get messy very fast. So that's basically what I'm doing. Then I'm going to take the Stila Magnificent Metal in the shade Molten Midnight, and I'm just going to use this on my eyelid, and I'm taking this glitter underneath my crease so that I don't experience any transfer. Taking that same smudger brush, I'm just going to use whatever black was on that brush from my eyelid. I'm just going to use that to smudge along my lower lash line. And then I took the shade Fixated and smudged that out as well to give it kind of a smoky effect. Then I took my NYX liquid liner and I'm going to just create a line across my lashes, my lash line, just to help conceal my false lashes when I apply those. Taking the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara and the Black is Black, I'm just going to use this to coat my lashes, top and bottom. Then I use the Urban Decay liner to tight line my water lines with. This is the final look. I love the way it came out. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell so that you're notified when I upload my future videos. Until next time, you guys. MUAH. Take care.